Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to access old Cash App account without email or phone number. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open up Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you are not logged into any of your Cash App. Once you open it up, it will ask you to enter your phone number or email, which was associated with the older account. You will receive a verification code. Simply verify the code received and the account will be logged in. But in case you have already made a new account, then to go back your old Cash App account, what you need to do is open up Cash App on your device and then click on the profile icon in your top right corner. Now click on support and tap on something else. It will take you to this page. Look for cannot access old account. From here, tap on contact support, then tap email and click on yes. After submitting the request, you will receive a confirmation email from the Cash App support team to verify personal information. Link to the old account. Once the verification is successful, the old Cash App account will be merged into the new Cash App account. That's how you get back your old Cash App account. So this is the video. Thanks for watching.